Chapter 3. The Coastal Plains and the Islands. The southern plateau region is bordered by narrow plains on the west and the east. These plains are surrounded by the Arabian Sea in the west and the Bay of Bengal in the east. Hence, they are called the coastal plains. These plains stretch along the coast for about 6,000 km from Gujarat in the west up to West Bengal in the east. They meet at Kanyakumari. There are many islands in the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea, like the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands. Western Coastal Plains. The western coastal plain lies between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. It begins from Gujarat in the north and passes through Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. The average width of the plains is about 65 km. It is divided into three main parts: the Gujarat coast in the north, the Konkan coast in the middle up to Goa, the Malabar coast in the south from Goa to Kanyakumari. Lagoon or backwaters, locally called kyles, are found along the Malabar coast. Eastern Coastal Plain. On the east, between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal, is the Eastern Coastal Plain. It stretches from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. This plain is wider than the Western Coastal Plain. The average width of the plain is about 120 km. The northern part of the Eastern Coastal Plain is called the Northern Circus. The southern part is called the Coromandel Coast. The Islands. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. There are two main groups of islands: the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in the Bay of Bengal. They are a group of 572 big and small islands. Most of the islands are covered with thick forests. Port Blair is its capital. The southernmost part of the islands is called Indira Point. These islands are Union Territory of India. Rice, maize, coconut and rubber are the main crops. The cellular jail in the Port Blair is a national monument. During British rule in India, this place was used to keep Indian freedom fighters. Lakshadweep Islands. Lakshadweep Islands are a group of 36 big and small islands located in the Arabian Sea. Kavaratti is the capital city. They are close to the Malabar coast. They also form a union territory. Lakshadweep Islands are also known as Coral Islands, as they are of coral origin. Deposits of the skeletons of animals called coral. Fishing is the main occupation. Coconut is the main crop. Gujarat. Gujarat is situated on the Gujarat coast of the western coastal plain. Its capital is Gandhinagar. Trading and farming are the main occupations of the people of the state. The main crops are jowar, bajra, cotton, wheat and sugarcane. Dairy farming is an important industry of Gujarat. The famous Amul milk products come from Anand in Gujarat. Ahmedabad is the largest city. Kandla is the major port. Sabarmati Ashram, which was Mahatma Gandhi's home for many years, is in Ahmedabad. Apart from temples and monuments, this state has many national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. The Gir National Park, which is the home of the Asiatic lion, is an important tourist attraction. The main language spoken is Gujarati. Garba and Dandiya are the folk dances of Gujarat. The women wear saris, lehengas and cholis. Men wear dhotis and long or short coats with colorful turbans. Goa. Goa is situated towards the south of Maharashtra. Its capital is Panaji. Goa is one of the major destinations for tourists. It is famous for its beautiful beaches and churches. Most people are farmers and fishermen. Main crops are rice, coconut, cashew nuts and mangoes. Official language is Konkani. Basilica of Bom Jesus and Mahalakshmi Temple are some of the tourist attraction points. Maharashtra. Mumbai, the capital of Maharashtra, is situated on the Konkan coast. The seabed of the Konkan coast has large deposits of petroleum. This region is called Bombay High. Karnataka. Karnataka lies between the Konkan coast and the Malabar coast. Coastal areas of Karnataka are covered by thick teak forests. Mangalore is an important seaport. Coconut and variety of spices are grown here. Kerala. The state of Kerala lies at the southernmost end of the western coastal region. The capital city is Thiruvananthapuram. Rice is the main crop. Other important crops include coconut, rubber, cocoa, coffee and spices. Kerala has the highest literacy rate in India. Onam is the main festival celebrated by the people. The popular snake boat race is held during Onam. Kathakali and Mohiniyattam are the main classical dances. Malayalam is the main language spoken. More to know. Kerala has a large number of lagoons or lakes linked by canals. This is called backwater. It is used for transportation. West Bengal. West Bengal lies in the eastern coastal plain. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. The main crops are rice and jute. It is a big industrial town located on the banks of river Hooghly. Fish and rice is the staple food of the people. Bengali is the main language spoken here. Odisha. The capital of Odisha, Bhubaneswar, is the city of temples. The main river flowing through lake is Mahanadi. Chilika Lake is a bird sanctuary. Puri is a pilgrimage town, famous for its Rath Yatra of Lord Jagannath. Andhra Pradesh. Hyderabad is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. The fertile basin of Krishna and Godavari rivers lie in the state. Farming is the main occupation. Rice is the main crop. Telugu and Urdu are spoken here. Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is surrounded by the Bay of Bengal in the east and Indian Ocean in the south. Chennai is the capital and famous for its silk saris and Marina Beach. Tamil Nadu has huge forests of teak, sal, sandalwood and rosewood. Puducherry. The Union Territory of Puducherry lies to the south of Chennai. It is famous for the Aurobindo Ashram and the Matri Mandir. It was once under French rule. People here speak French and Tamil. The main occupation of people is farming. Now I know. The Deccan Plateau has the western coastal plain on the west and eastern coastal plain on the east. There are two big island groups in India. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands lie in the Bay of Bengal. The Lakshadweep is in the Arabian Sea. Gujarat, Goa, Kerala, Puducherry and some parts of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha lie in the coastal plains of India. Fishing, agriculture, working in ports, petroleum and other industries, as well as tourism are the main occupations of the people.